So here's our leg model. We have the first muscle right here called iliacus. Then going around to the back, we have this big one, which is gluteus maximus. And on the side, we have gluteus medius. Then coming to the front, we have pectineus, we have adductor longus, and we have adductor magnus. We have this muscle that runs on the side of the leg, in the inner part of the leg, called the gracilis. Then on the front, you have this muscle that kind of starts from the outer part of the hip and goes into the inner part of the knee. That's called the sartorius. And then in the front of the thigh, which is basically this view, you have these muscle groups that are called quadriceps. So there are a total of 4 muscles. The biggest one is the central one, which is the rectus femoris. It's a straight muscle on top of the femur. Then you have this one on the side, vastus lateralis, because it's on the outside. And then this one, which would be your vastus medialis. And if I remove this one, there is a muscle underneath that, which is called the vastus intermedius. And these 4 basically make your quadriceps. If we go back to the back of the leg, we have basically, again, marker for yourself, gluteus maximus. Here's your sacrum. Now the muscles that we have here, on the outer aspect of the thigh, you have the muscles that is your biceps femoris. And then the one on the opposite side, on the medial side of the leg, you have semitendinosus, and peeking from underneath it would be semimembranosus. Going down farther, you have your calf muscle, which is this big one called the gastrocnemius. And then on the side of the gastrocnemius, or if you remove this one, you have another muscle called soleus. Going to the front of the leg, you have this muscle that runs right on the side of the tibia. So this is your tibialis anterior. And then lastly is this muscle right here on the side called the fibrolis longus.